Today we're making a vibrant neon outline effect that glows around your subject. Great for social banners, thumbnails, and modern digital art. No brushes or downloaded assets needed, everything will be created manually. Start by selecting your subject using Select and Mask. Place the cutout on a new layer. Now duplicate the subject several times. On the bottom duplicate, go to Filter, Stylize, find Edges. Desaturate it, then boost brightness to make the edges clear. Invert the layer if needed. Next, apply outer glow on this outlined layer. Choose a bright neon color like pink, green, or cyan. Increase size and spread until the glow feels electric.